Hello, my name is Agum from class 7F. Here, I will make the step to make a pop ice drink. The tools need is a blender and a plastic cup. The ingredients we need is a 1 pack of pop ice cube and ring and water. Put the cubes in the plastic cup. Then add water. Then put it in a blender. Put in a 1 sachet of pop ice. The green it when it's smooth. Take the glass. Then pour in the pop ice. The pop ice is ready to be served. Thank you.